Mfethu kunjani igama uRemington Mfokasiwela Mswati lomnanzi, and this is Remington Unfiltered. Mfethu, please excuse my voice, man. If it's irritating, ngizongixolela. Bengineflunyana, so hence mhlawumbe I couldn't record as much as I wanted. So I decided today, because I'm feeling a little bit better, and I've been all over social media checking what's happening and how I want to say my views, in a lot of things that happen. But today, I want to speak about something that's very sensitive, the issue of ucwecwe. So, Buffett, before I dive into it, I just want to say shout out to Wiseman Mnuwe. I think I saw his video. He was questioning and asking Utsiganti Buffett. It seems like as guys is too little, we're saying nothing about this issue of ucwecwe. So I want to say shout out to him for Uvela and talk in behalf of many of us. But the honest truth, speaking for myself, it's not because I'm quiet, because I'm quiet because I don't want justice for her, or mhlambe angiseki lento eyenzakalayo ukuthi ijustice itholakale. My issue was this thing is kind of sensitive. I'm raising my daughter only. Are young, similar age with where they go to school. So it's kind of painful because now you question yourself. If in the morning I say to my daughter, "Bye, baby, see you later," Nimshia is calling. It's like I don't know what could happen to her during the day. I'm not there to watch her. And then also I've seen a lot of guys on social media making fun about it. Some people, I could say they want to trend, they want to get likes, they want to all those things is gonna sting as and majority of these people, what I've seen, are cheater. So chance go on social media and tweet or posting nonsense about a very sensitive case of a 7-year-old. I know all of us could have seen Umama explaining the situation. I've also watched it all, I think 2 times. Buffett, I think mina umama wacece need support as much as she can get, for the fact that she also explained that she experienced ukuhlukunyezwa at the age of 29, and then now if ingane yakhe in 7 years is going through the similar situation, she has every right to fight for ingane yakhe. And the best we can do as a country is to support this, because I mean kunabantu who don't speak, who are quiet out there, who are saying nothing, but you might find out that umama is speaking. It's speaking on behalf of a lot of people that are victims, that are going through isn't but they don't have the courage of kuluma. So her speaking and standing for ingane yakhe, yo, much respect, mama. Much respect, mama. And I just hope as a country we will support her until justice itholakale for ucwecwe. So now looking at the situation, quite a lot of people that needs to answer, It's quite a lot of people that needs to answer for me. I just hope if I knew the school, do they have cameras to see mhlambe ukuthi after ucwecwe left the school, by no munye uphumile or uphume just before ephuma. Every male obeka around that time ucwecwe the transport yakhe idelay. All those people need to answer. And then I've seen a lot of people saying ucwecwe must speak, she's just 7-year-old. You can imagine the trauma ahamba kuyona lo mntwana ukuthi eish, Nkosi yami, nina, and understand it. It's painful, this thing. It's very, very painful. So, umuntu othi ingane hambe yoklina in that particular day must tell us why that day decided to ingane yoklina. Because ingane, yes, let's say transport is delayed. But esikoleni might delay transport. I'm sure they sit somewhere to wait for your transport. You cannot be waiting for your transport and who cleaner. How are you gonna see your transport when it's back? And I don't believe Utwekwe has a phone where umefika driver will call and say I'm outside. I don't believe that. You know? And then secondly, umama stated Guti she was not called. Kwafonela u driver. And driver must explain now why on that particular day because mama says usually they will call her. So on that particular day, why they call driver, why they call him, and then ogunye on that day, if it means driver was not there and was driver to be there and the driver was late and the ingane get whatever happened and again, it's very questionable. This thing, it's very questionable. It reminds me of Israel Gasenzo. There's so much going on. Mama mentioned with him, Amatoket, first investigator, second, third. Why? It seems like they're powerful people that they don't want this incident to be figuring out what happened. Oh, Mama wants justice for her daughter. There's nothing wrong. We need to know what happened. Because when the principal says, ufuna protect mhlambe reputation yesikolo, protecting a reputation yesikolo for me, it doesn't have to silence what happened to Utwek. But to protect the reputation yesikolo, we need to find that culprit or when the bad if it happens esikoleni. That's how you protect your reputation yesikolo, because even nale ingane ekungenzekalanga anything ikuzona, they will protect it if we get the culprit. That's the only way you can protect the reputation yesikolo. Not to say people must not speak or mhlawumbe uzama ukuba silent okanye by expelling or whatever, the case may be. This thing is very sensitive, and I hope as a country, if it needs, it needs to happen. It needs to happen just so we get justice for you guys. This is wrong. Justice for Utwekwe on behalf of Iliad Podcast, on behalf of Remington Unfiltered. Mama, we stand with you. We stand with the family. We stand with all our victims. Those who have spoken and those who are quiet about it because they don't know where to start. Mama, you've set a very good example of coming forward and speaking for your child and standing. I hope you can't some support to Mama until we know what happened with Justice Ngani Tole. Eshbafet. Shabafet.